Our next daily mama move in our toned arms kitchen edition is called monkey pumps. Now this is one I love to do while I'm cooking eggs. Don't ask me why, but I feel like I have that weird dead time while I'm waiting for the whites to cook and I'm trying to mix the yolks just perfectly. Not enough time to walk away, but I've got to stand right here. So I do these all the time. We're really getting into our shoulders here. So the first thing we want to do is stack our rib cage over our pelvis. You're going to notice this is a theme in most of the stuff that we do. So if your rib cage was a Tupperware lid, and your pelvis was a Tupperware bowl, we want to stack our Tupperware. I say that all the time. Now you know what that means. Stacking your Tupperware lid over your Tupperware. So we want to get that in nice alignment. From here, shoulders are down and relaxed. We're going to bring our arms out like goalie post arms with jazz hands. Yeah, fingers are spread, shoulders are down. From here, we're going to cover our face. Elbows come into touch if you have that availability in your body. Then you're going to open back up, noticing as I open up, my chest is not coming out. So keep your chest down, maintain this Tupperware stacking position while your arms come in, your arms come out. Keeping that down, your arms are gonna come up so your thumbs touch, and then you're gonna come back down, okay? So it goes in, out, up, down. In, out, up, down. Now, do we also wanna make this a full body movement? Of course we do. So what we're gonna do is pretend like we're pressing our feet into the earth and trying to spread the earth apart. So I'm not actually moving my feet, right? But I'm pretending like I'm trying to spread it apart. Now you're gonna feel your inner and your outer thighs start to say hello. Yeah? Now with this stacked over, we have everything stable and engaged. Now we get to do our monkey pumps. So arms come out to goalie arms. I'm pressing my feet in, spreading them apart. Rib cage stays down. I'm covering my face, coming out. Notice I'm at that 90-degree angle. Thumbs come up to touch. And back down. Now, if you notice while you're doing these monkey pumps and I'm moving super slow, that your chest wants to come along for the ride, just don't move your arms as much because we don't want to borrow movement from our chest. We want all of this to burn out and mobilize our shoulders at the same time. So if you can only come to here and maybe you only go to here, that's beautiful. That means that you have room to create improvement as well. So just go to where your body allows, where your shoulders allow, where everything else stays in good position. Now, again, if you want to create your own resistance and make this harder, I want you to pretend like you're pressing weights in. Now, I'm pressing against your hands, and you're trying to press against my hands to come out. Yes? Now, there's weights on top of your fingertips, and you're trying to press your fingertips up, creating your own resistance. Holy moly, you should be shaking. And now I have weights underneath my elbows, so I'm trying to press those weights down to come back here. So see how I can make an exercise mindless, or I can really make it intentional, creating my own strength, building my own resistance to make my arms stronger. Yes, so monkey pumps is a move you can incorporate. Again, there's no reps, there's no set amount. It's just when can I sprinkle that in while I'm in the kitchen during that dead time, and how can I make it super, super hard? It's more important to me the quality of movement versus how many you do. So if you only get one in, but man, you make that one super, 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 super hard, creating your own resistance, man, what a win. So try that one out.